Spitfire is a company that makes what are known as virtual instruments, so software musical instruments essentially. So we would, for example, go into a studio with an orchestra, record that orchestra playing one note at a time, and then we arrange that into a playable instrument that you can use. The benefits of the Agile process for us, I think, became apparent more or less immediately. This iterative approach where you choose a very small piece of functionality and you make it work absolutely from the top all the way to the bottom. That's a really valuable way to work. You want to see progress, I think, and the great thing about the Agile process is that you do. I think superficially it's a way of sort of organising your work into 2-week sprints, as they call them. I personally think it's more about looking for the next most valuable thing. Which thing should we do next to move us forward towards the goal of achieving the big thing, but while achieving some concrete value in the now from the little thing. You don't wait for 18 months to see a thing that you've commissioned and then realise you don't like it. You could realise you don't like it after 1 month, and from that you've got 17 months to change the direction and steer it in the way that you want to steer it. In the end, you get what you want, and that's particularly true when you don't know what you want. Produces value fast. The great thing about working with Switchplane over these last few years has been that and using the Agile process, there's just been a steady drip, drip, drip of improvement the whole time. It's always getting better day to day, week to week, month to month, and over time we've managed to achieve really big things by this iterative process of doing small things one after the other. So it's worked really well for us over the last few years.